Easily calculate banking and batter with MudShark. Calculating the quantities for your banking and batter can be difficult and time-consuming. With MudShark, we've added some options so you can easily and quickly calculate banking or batter for a project. So we've taken the guesswork out of your Earthworks calculations. Let's look at a batter example. Create a structure, then use the advanced options to trim the structure appropriately. Input the boundary. Then click Calculate. To be sure it's done right, you can inspect your project in 3D. Let's look at a banking example. Create a structure, select the appropriate options, input the boundary. Then calculate. Simplify your calculations for banking and batter with MudShark. Get your free 14-day trial today.